Good day everyone. I Divya Parnami, studying in International Institute of Hotel Management Jaipur, and here I am with my mentor, Mr. Arjun Sharma. Sir, what is YCI?
Okay, so YCI is Young Chef India. So basically, we organize this competition on the school level. So YCI is for 9th, 10th, and 11th and 12th standard students. So here you can see right now the competition is going on, and so these are the city semi-final. Once we select the top three from them, we'll send them to the next round.
Thank you, sir. So my question for you is, how do you feel?
I feel so nervous and scary because it's my first time in IIHM. My mother is a chef in Punjab, and I like cooking so much. My inspiration is my mother and my Mosi.
Thank you. Hi. He's a student from Ryan. So how are you feeling?
Pretty nervous but confident in my cooking.
Alright. And what is your last night planning?
All depends on God.
And we are very excited to see what is going on in the kitchen. So let's go and see some glimpse of YCI, Young Chef India.
My name is Chef Arjun, and along with Chef Momak.
Good day everyone. I Tanisha from International Institute of Hotel Management. Ma'am, my question for you is, how was your experience with IIHM?
IIHM experience is very nice, and let's see what the students do, and actually they'll give up their experience because they are on the workstations. So let's see. Now they are a little bit nervous, but after doing is something else. They come up.
And what is your experience about YCI?
YCI, from long time students are coming, and let's see. Last year also one of the student was the winner, so my finger are crossed. And this time also if they come up with the winning list.
Thank you so much,
Let's
ma'am.
see.
Good day everyone. I Divya Parnami, studying in International Institute of Hotel Management Jaipur, and I am here with the mentor. How are you feeling, ma'am?
I'm feeling good, and I'm excited to see my the person who's come from the competition. And this IHMR has given this opportunity for our students, and our school were very mostly they looking for this so that a child get a better opportunity in future, and they can also choose this as a professional also.